Want to organize your wish list better? Let's learn how to rename your wish list on Wish app. Hi, I'm Siyuk from Online Help Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to rename your wish list on Wish app. So let's get started. First, open the Wish app on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Here, in the wish list section, you can see all the wish lists that you have created. Tap on the wish list you want to rename. Once you have the wish list opened, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. From the menu that appears, tap on the Rename List option. Clear the current name of the wish list and enter the new name that you want. Finally, tap on the Done button to save your changes. And this is how you can rename your wish list on Wish app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.